Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and I make food and travel vlogs. So guys, winter is already here and winter on ami hokolue resort like jaga goi kene birat besi bhal pao because of this greenery. Olop sun to amar gat poribo dhuniya eta botor ahi ase, definitely yes. So aji moi eneko eta resort cover koribole ahisu jetu Guwahati's favorite resort which is called Greenwood Resort. Greenwood Resort has been serving Guwahati for more than 15 years and yes, iman dhuniya botor Greenwood Resort ahi birate besi bhal lage. I am pretty sure ki apnaloke Greenwood Resort ahi paise for some biya occasion, for example biya, birthday, your New Year celebration, your Christmas celebration and so on and on. And moro birat besi bhal lage. And I have been visiting this particular place for a very long time here. But aji moi ihotor specialty restaurant try korim which is the Aroma, the modern dining. Yate bahut dhuniya delicious khana kham. Along with that, chef special ketaman food, and I'm really excited for the food journey that is going to take place right now in the video. And I hope you will watch the video till the end. Aha kore video to bhal pabo. So yes, let's get the video started. Let's dive into the restaurant, check out the interiors for now, and then dive into some delicious food. Let's get going. So guys, बहुत किबा किबि खाना होय गयसे याते के बाद केटामान मेन कोर्स আছে. These are the starters that we have. So আমি starters पर start करिम definitely. So let's begin. So আমি ইয়াতে লৈ লৈছো এবোৰ সব chef special হয় আৰু নতুন এড কৰিছে মেনুত. So আপোনালোক যদি ইয়াতে আহে definitely এবোৰ dishes try কৰিব পাৰিব আৰু মোৰ কেটামান ৰিভিউ আছে হেতু মই আপোনালোকক জনাম. So I hope you will enjoy the video. Guys, মই vegetarian পৰা start কৰি আছো. Vegetarian ইয়াতে আছে হল আপোনাৰ mushroom আৰু আলু যেটো আছে আলু tandoori ase, and we're gonna start with this. Let's take the first bite. So the mushroom is very juicy from inside and outer layer little crispy. Olop thanda hoi goise kintu bahut besi flavorful hoy, very delicious aru bahut besi juicy asile. Now we're gonna try the aloo tandoori. You can check it out. Aloo to bahut besi dhuniya lagi ase. Outer layer to bahut besi masaledar hoi ase, sabole birat besi bhal lagi ase. So I'm going to dip into some mint chutney. অলপ মেয়নিছৰ লগতো মিলাই দিও. ও গড, ইমান টাইম ধৰি এস্থেটিক কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰিছো সো দ্যাট আপোনালোকে চাই কেনে ভাল পায়. যিমান বাৰ কৰিব গৈ আছে ইমান বাৰ মানে কিবা ব্লান্ডাৰ হৈ আছে. যি নহওক এটা যাব পাৰে. Something we did end up doing something. And yes, let's take the first bite of aloo tandoor. Aloo jeto sweetness and creaminess ase, it is really tasting very.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
It is really tasting very good. At the same time, aloo to logo jete ami mint chutney to add korisu with mayonnaise. Dhuniya ta flavor ahi goise, earthy and very delicious eta flavor ahi ase. But because moi shoot koruti thanda hoi goise, bahut bar moi eta video loi asilu. Mane bhal eta shot ahai nai. But ji nohok eto koruti thanda hoi goise khana to. But I'm pretty sure jodi apni gorom khai bahut besi bhal pabo. So guys, next jeto ami starter dish hoy etu ami veg order korisu for my vegetarian viewers. And yes, moi to try kori asu broccoli and peas kebab hoy. Etu bahut besi unique dish hai, moi ketiao khwa nai broccoli and peas kebab. Dhuniya crispy eta layer hoy aru bhitor pora I feel it's very creamy. So yeah, let's break this. So good. So I'm gonna dip into some mayonnaise. I'm gonna try it out. So guys, yate ami eta try korim non-veg starter aru etu hol Lucknowi kebab hoy, tangri kebab hoy, sabo pare iman dhuniya piece hoy, iman dangor piece hoy. Really eta greasy to both greasy hoy. So we're gonna take the first bite. Let's see. बहुत ধুনিয়া এটা ডিশ হয়. I am so much impressed with this particular starters. ভিতৰত আপোনাৰ চাব পাৰে stuffing হয়, চিকেনৰ stuffing হয় ধুনিয়াকে. এটা টেষ্ট আহি আছে. Along with that charcoal এটা flavor আছে, charcoal এটা flavor আহি. So guys, এটা আমি main course try কৰি আছে. Main course আছে first item যেটা আমি try কৰি আছে which is chicken nihari. এটো হল এটা আৱধি dish হয়, Lucknowi dish হয় আৰু চাই কেনে বিৰাট বেছি ভাল লাগি আছে. আৰু I'm going to try it with some deliciously butter naan. হল চিকেন নিহাৰিটো বেসিক্যালি হল স্লো কুকড মিট হয় বহুত ধুনিয়া লাগি আছে গাৰ্নিশ কৰিছে ধনিয়া পাতা দি আৰু ইয়াতে যে অয়েলটো চাই আছে ইট ইজ নট অয়েল ইট ইজ বেসিক্যালি চিকেনৰ যেটো অয়েল এটা আছে আৰু ঘি আছে হেতু আপুনি দেখা পাব ইয়াতে let's put it here and some look at this oh my god looks so good let's take the first big bite
Nice.
Next dish that we are trying for the main course is just fish malabari. It is called malabari, which is coastal dish. And we have to say dhuniya ke curry patta garnish korise. And let's try it first. Taste to get a coconut oil taste ase. At the same time, coconut actually bonaise bostoto. It's beautiful. It's creamy. It's delicious. Basically, jolao no hai. And बहुत बेसी creamy और sweet है bostoto. So definitely it's a very beautiful dish. And along with that, curry patta halka eta flavor ahi ase, which is really enhancing the taste basically. So more bahut besi bhal lagise. Coconut chutney to go heneke eta halka eta taste ahi ase. Aru curry patta jodi taste ase dhuniya eta mane flavor to bahut besi enhance kori ase. Coconut flavor to bahut besi strong hoy along with the curry patta flavor. It's amazing. Mane bahut din pisot iman dhuniya eta fish dish khalo. Really love at first sight jodi ko hoy edu ko hoy goise muri ar logot.
Yeah, boy.
So ji no agot mas to sailo keneke ki hoy. So this is the fish katol mas ya roe mas. Oh my god, fish oil which is my favorite part. Apnaloke fish oil to bhal pai ki nai etu comment kori janabo aru sabo pare dhuniya ta fish oil ulaise. So I'm gonna try it with naan.
मजा आया
The fish is well cooked aru jitya fisher logot moi khaisu the flavor is all together again a different flavor because fisher eta halka eta different taste eta ahi ase aru pura curry to bhitor infused hoi goise with the fish and which is making it better bahut kom enuka fish dish khaisu ya prefer koru but this is something that definitely I will recommend you to try it out you will not regret ordering it. Guys, etia moi try kori asu prawns ghee roast just sabo pore bahut besi delicious lagi ase aru yes I'm gonna try it out this is basically again a South Indian dish and I remember etia moi Bangalore goisilu for a food tour etia moi khaisilu chicken ghee roast moi khaisilu but this is a prawn ghee roast and I feel it will taste really good yate apuni sabo pore ekdom dhuniya ke ghee pura layering ase curry patta di dhuniya ke garnish korise along with some tarka jitu mare jhag jitu mare ebur sob ase ate so we gonna take the first bite
मजा आया
Last but not the least, we're going to try this yakini pulao. Apne saba pare garnish korise with caramelized onion, then some cherries, and we have cashews in it. We're gonna try it out. Spoonful of deliciousness. Let's take the first bite.
Nice.
So guys, yakini pulao to alog meetha side of thake. So if you are ordering yakini pulao, try and order something which is spicier, like your meat, your fish that you have order for it spicy and not order korimo because that will really go well with the yakini pulao. So I'm gonna try it with some prawn ghee roast. So I'm gonna try it with this chicken nihari. So good.
भाई मजा आया
तो बहुत बेसी धुनिया और धुनिया এটা dessert section আছে ইয়াতে সো আপোনালোকে লগে যদি dessert and all try কৰিব পাৰে ইচ্ছা আছে so you can try out the dessert from here finally আমি আহি পালো ভিডিওৰ হেকলৈকে আশা কৰো আপোনালোকে ভিডিওটো ভাল পাইছে so guys if you are planning to come to Dreamwood Resort definitely come over here and try out Aroma the fine dining the modern dining yaar khana birate basi delicious hoy along with that their staff the ambience mostly the vibe was really warm the nature all together in this winter. So yes, আশা কৰো ভিডিওটো আপোনালোকে ভাল পাইছে আৰু ভিডিওটো ভাল পাই থাকিলে লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। So I shall see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.